The purpose of this video is to show how are different tools combined in order to gain the full control of each of the stages in the supply chain management, meaning a full control when it comes to procurement side, so basically communicating and getting the goods from the suppliers, and on one side, right? And on the other side, using tools for the forecasting and making replenishment decisions towards Amazon fulfillment centers on time. Let's start with the first aspect, which is procurement side. So getting the placing orders and getting the goods from the suppliers on time. For the purpose of control of this aspect, there are different tools available. In this video, I will show you Asana, and I will show you one example how we are controlling each of the stages. Basically, let me widen this a bit. Yeah. So basically, each of the stages is stated in the subtasks list, and each of the stages has a proactive date or alert assigned. So as you know, you need to, before placing an order, you need to contact the manufacturer, you need to get the pro forma from manufacturer, pay the deposit payment, right? And so on. And once you do that, the production is on the way, right? And you get a date, which is the end of the production date, when the goods will be completed, when the production will be completed, and this is the cornerstone of the entire system. Based on this particular date, so end of the production date, we are able to set reminders. For example, 7 days ahead of the end of the production, you need to contact the freight forwarding companies to get freight quotes. You need to contact inspection companies to arrange the inspection if needed. You need to communicate with the supplier in order to make sure production is is being produced as planned, and so on. And down the line, as you can see, there are different subtasks here. So before the goods are shipped, or basically picked up, we need to pay the balance payment, right? So there's a final payment subtask. And once the cargo is on the way to the destination country, you are able to inform the incoming warehouse if the goods are going to external 3PL. You need to inform the warehouse what's coming in, right? And that's basically how we are controlling each of the stages in the supply chain. There is order status here, which is basically a drop-down list, which allows you to choose different statuses in the process. And there is we are calling this a KPI aspect of the supply chain. Basically, you are monitoring different indicators in the process. For example, what is the transit time KPI? So when the goods are shipped, from the moment when the goods are shipped to the moment the goods arrive to the port, for example. So that's a transit time, right? We are monitoring, for example, from the moment the goods are at the port to the moment goods are delivered to the final destination. So as you know, goods can be, when the goods arrive to the port, they can undergo customs exam. There is a port congestion and that sort of stuff. So you monitor that last mile delivery, sort of speaking. We are using some other systems. I will show you Monday, for example. It's basically the same thing, right? The principle is the same. Proactive control of each of the stages in the process, right? So there's a transport modality, as you can see, transport modality, Incoterms. We are monitoring. For example, for this particular client, we are monitoring where is the ship at this very moment, right? Where is the actual vessel at this moment, with the help of tools like Vessel Finder, for example. These systems are all connected, and this is the last part of the system. The final stage of the system are connected to internal database of documents that are used or that are being used in the process. So each of these purchase orders have a commercial doc, packing list, different technical documents that are following the cargo, and everything is sorted in a specially designed or structured folder. When it comes to the making replenishment decisions towards Amazon Fulfillment Center, we are using different tools in the process, such as, for example, Venture One. This type of tool allows us to make replenishment decisions on time. Basically, we are monitoring sales. As you can see here, we are monitoring pieces in Amazon warehouse, and this combined gives an overview of Amazon FBA reach, right? So as you know, I'm sure you know, official Amazon policy says a coverage between 30 to 60 days and optimal coverage in Amazon Fulfillment Center, in Amazon warehouses, and that's something we are aiming to achieve using the tools like this. This is like one of the official tools, right? We are using Inventory Planner. We have even designed the tools ourselves, which are basically Google Sheet tools of our own with the same purpose.